Good afternoon, Forest families. It's Friday, March 21st, 2014, and here's your week in review. Whew, what a week. Was there a day this week where we did not have something going on? After returning from my favorite educational conference, the McCall Conference, which is the Michigan Educational Technology Conference, this past week, I have hit the ground running. Tuesday night, we had our Parents Club meeting at Seats. It was elections of officer night, and we had some fundraising discussions going on. I also share with those present the plans intended for Seats when the bond issue passes. Wednesday was parent-teacher conferences. The book fair went on all week. It was a huge success from what they're sharing with me. It made over $5,000 in books-only sales. The hot ticket item for this book fair was the Minecraft book. But what a way to help promote March's Reading Month. And then tonight, Friday, we had our Stacking Club stacking competition. So it was a busy week here at the Forest. The AR count from Monday was just under 1,500 points. This goes with my goal that I set for the students. If they reach 3,000 AR points for the month of March for Reading Month, I will go to Riverview Community High School and walk the plank. So students are working hard to reach that goal. Students of Mrs. Side Race class got a chance to witness me using technology today as I read them stories through my computer. We hooked up Mrs. Side Race's computer up to, and using my webcam at my desk, I was able to stream myself into her classroom, and they were able to see me sitting at my desk like you are right now as I was reading a story to them. So the students they really enjoyed that, and having my big mug on their screen probably scared some of them, but they really enjoyed it. So the students of Mrs. Side Race class, if you have a student in that class, ask them how that went today. Next week, Tuesdays is Martial Music Aptitude. Wednesdays, Learn to Earn during lunches. Thursday is Treasured Thursday, which is now our PBIS Reward Day. Also that night at 6:30 will be the 5th grade camp meeting for the parents. Friday, State Representative Mr. Clemente will be at Forest as a mystery reader in all of our classes. And also Friday night from 6 to 9 is our Drop and Shop. On my blog, if you go to that, when I find interesting educational things that I know that are going on in the area, I want to be able to share that to you and to the families so you have some things that are out there to go to on the weekends. On Sunday, March 23rd at 1 o'clock at the Indian Springs Metro Park Environmental Discovery Center, they're having Family Lab Day, and the topic is chemistry. This is ages 8 and older can strap on their goggles to set up in the lab on Sunday at 1 o'clock. This is the second installment of the chemistry series, and experiments we've devised are sure to astound. Immerse yourself in the molecular mania. Prerequisition is required. It's a $5 per fee. The phone number to register for this is 248-625-7280 to register. So if you're looking for something to do this weekend, call the Indian Springs Metro Park and take the kids out to do a little science stuff. It's beautiful out. Spring is finally here. I saw 2 red-winged blackbirds on the way in this morning, and unfortunately a skunk on the side of the road, which usually is a good sign that spring is here. So that's all I have for this week for the Week in Review. Have a great week. Next week is our last week for March's Reading Month. Check your calendars to see what activities we have going on, and have a great weekend.